Hi. Hi. Hi, good morning. I'm Jane. Hi. May I ask your name? Is it?
My name is Wang Hui.
Wang Hui?
Yes.
Wang Hui, hi. This is Mr. Wang Hui, hi. Everyone, we are reaching our next company. It's Sunmall Lighting. Sunmall Lighting, and this is Wang Hui from Sunmall Lighting. Good morning. And we are coming from the GILE Lightstrade, and today we are going to show your company and show your products, show your booths by you, like in 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and you can tell us a lot about your company. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Just a little bit. I will hand you this one. I put it here.
可以说中文吗？
最好英文。We are broadcasting in 我们在全球直播。
那我们就缩短一点嘛。
Okay， 好。Oh sure, don't worry.
Okay, this way.
大点声，谢谢。Thank you.
We come from Guangdong, Jiangmen, and we are professional in floodlight and street light and the high bay. Let me show you some our products. This way.
Yeah. Okay. This way.
This is two kind of street light. We are OEM for many customers. This is a street light. And this way is floodlight. We have many models like this. This is our new product. It's we sell a lot of to Middle East from our And this is our older model, and everyone like this one. Those are our high bay light. So we have three kind of the cheap one, the UFO high bay, and the cheap one. 差不多了。
Okay. You can hold this. I can see that you have a lot of products, and it's flood lighting, right?
Yes.
It's the many flood lighting. Actually, your boss, your company is joining our association a lot, so
yes.
We interact a lot. May I ask, would you like? So your customers are mainly in America or Africa?
亚非拉。
亚非拉. So
Yes.
Latin. And Africa and yeah, South America. So
yes.
This you have a certification for shipping there, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's really good. May I ask the MOQ? How many pieces they want to order? If
500.
500.
Yes.
500 pieces. Wow. So and how long they can have the package arrived once they set up the order? For example, the 30 days or 45 days.
25.
25.
Yes.
25. So I can see the product, the capacity is quite good.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Would you like to show a name card?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Would you like to show that? Yes.
Oh, yes.
This is the English one, and
Yes.
that barcode is for your WeChat?
Yes.
Yeah, WeChat one. Okay. So anyway, if you want to contact the Sunmall Lighting, you can reach Wang Hui, or
Yes.
you can reach Lightstrade, and we will forward your information to Sunmall Lighting.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Wang Hui. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Yes.
See you. Bye.